Hello, today we will guide you through how to connect Messenger with Make.com. To begin, open Make and go to your dashboard. This is the main workspace where you can create and manage your automations, which Make calls scenarios. If you are already signed in, you should land directly on this page. Once you are there, take a moment to make sure you are in the correct workspace so your new scenario is created in the right place. Next, look to the top right corner of the screen and click Create Scenario. This opens the Scenario Builder, which is where you connect apps and set up automated workflows. If you are new to Make, this page may look a little technical at first, but the process is quite straightforward once you start adding your first app. In the search area, type Messenger. This helps Make quickly filter the available apps so you can find the one you need without scrolling through the full library. Be sure to type it clearly so the correct app appears in the results. When Messenger shows up, click on it to add it to your scenario. This tells Make that Messenger is the app you want to connect and use in this automation. After selecting it, you will usually be asked to choose what you want Messenger to do inside the scenario. At this point, select a sample action. This is essentially the task or event you want to use for Messenger in Make. The exact action can vary depending on what you are trying to automate, but for this walkthrough, simply choose the sample action shown on screen. This step helps define how Messenger will behave in the scenario. After that, select a sample connection. A connection links Make to your Messenger account so the platform can perform the action you selected. If a connection already exists, you may just need to choose it from the list. If not, you may be prompted to authorize access before continuing. Just follow the on-screen instructions and make sure you are connecting the correct account. Once everything is selected and set up, click Save. This stores your scenario settings and confirms the Messenger connection inside Make. Saving at this stage is important so you do not lose any progress before moving on to additional setup or testing. And that's it. You have now gone through the basic process of connecting Messenger with Make.com. After saving, it's a good idea to review the scenario once more to make sure the selected action and connection are correct before continuing with the rest of your automation.